Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling a super frustrating car problem, your key getting stuck in the ignition. If you're dealing with this in your 2025 model or any recent vehicle, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can happen for several reasons. Let's dive in and get you back on the road quickly. First off, why does this happen? One of the most common causes is the steering wheel lock. If your wheel is turned and the key won't turn fully, it might be locking the ignition in place. Try turning the steering wheel left and right while gently wiggling the key. Another culprit could be a worn-out key. Over time, keys can get bent or worn down, making them not fit properly. If that's the case, you might need to get a new one cut from your local locksmith. Then there's the electrical side, things like a low battery or issues with the ignition switch. If your car's battery is dead or dying, it can prevent the key from releasing. Start by checking your battery voltage with a multimeter. If it's below 12 volts, that's probably the problem. Also, dirt or debris in the ignition cylinder can cause sticking, so grab a can of electrical cleaner and carefully spray it in there, but be cautious not to damage anything. Now, for step-by-step fixes. Step 1. Ensure your car is in park or neutral and the parking brake is on for safety. Step 2. Jiggle the key while applying light pressure. Don't force it, as that could break the key. If that doesn't work, try disconnecting the battery for a minute to reset the system. Remember, if you're unsure or the problem persists, it's time to call a professional mechanic to avoid causing more damage. In summary, a stuck key is often fixable at home with some basic checks, but always prioritize safety. To prevent this in the future, keep your key in good condition and maintain your car's electrical system. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.